Ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant afternoon. Welcome to the 9th Senior High School graduation ceremony of Pulangi General Comprehensive High School. Today is not just a ceremony. It is not only about wearing a toga, receiving a diploma, or walking across the stage. This moment is more than an ending. It is the beginning of a new chapter in our lives.
Saranggol ay lilipad sa kahel na kalangitan. Paalam na nga ba sa ating nakaraan? Ngunit saan man tayo hipad ng amihan? Di pagpapalit ang pagkakaibigan.
As we conclude this school year, we do more than close a chapter. We honor the strength that carried out learners, teachers, and families through months of hard work, sacrifice, and hope. Sa ating mga mag-aaral, this year was not always easy. May mga araling mahirap intindihin at mga pagsubok na tila nakakapagod. Yet, you stayed the course and learned to rise after setbacks.
Hipad ng amihan, di pagpapalit ang pagkaibigan.
To my fellow graduates, keep shining, keep believing, and keep going. Believe in yourselves and believe in God. Someday, we will see each other again, shining in the fields we once dreamed of. Shine like you always do.
Bilang estudyante na nakatira sa Zone 2 sa Pulangi Valley, na kung saan dinaraanan ng mga trend ay aking pinasasalamatan ang ako sapagkat siya ay isa sa pinakadakilang ina na aking nakilala. Kasabay niya ang aking ama na kahit sa isang taon ay umuwisa. At sa bawat pagsusumikap ng aking ina, ako ay natutuwa dahil ginawa niya ang lahat upang may pagulot kaming dalawang magkapatid.
Congratulations, March 2026!
Congratulations, class of 2026! Yay!